thunderstorm warning for County in north central Georgia, west central Henry County in north central Georgia, southwestern Clayton County in north central Georgia until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over J.W. Smith Reservoir, or near Fayetteville, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trucks. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Jonesboro, Peachtree City, Hampton, Tyrone, Lovejoy, Brooks, Woolsey, Stars Mill, Keenan, Bonanza, Atlanta Motor Speedway, J.W. Smith Reservoir, Lake Horton, and Irondale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
At 5 p.m. in Athens, it was sunny.
At 5 p.m. in Atlanta, sunny. 97 degrees, dew point 69, relative humidity 40%, producing a heat index of 103.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fayette County in north central Georgia, west central Henry County in north central Georgia, western Clayton County in north central Georgia, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over J.W. Smith Reservoir, or near Fayetteville, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Jonesboro, Peachtree City, Hampton, Tyrone, Lovejoy, Brooks, Woolsey, Stars Mill, Inman, Bonanza, Atlanta Motor Speedway, J.W. Smith Reservoir, Lake Horton, and Irondale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.